Very good morning, student. Arunachal Pradesh PCS notification has been out yesterday, that is 10th of October, and you are left with around 65 days. Okay. So within 65 days, how you are going to prepare for your examination? So in that, to make it more competitive for you, we are coming up with a video on how to prepare for prelims in 55 days and how to work smartly. Okay. And go for smart preparation. Everyone teaches you and talks about smart preparation, but no one tells you how to go for smart preparation. So this video is entirely about that. But before that, we will also discuss a bit about your notification. The total number of vacancies are around 140. And out of this 140 vacancies, you can see that around 17 you have for unreserved category, and there is no clarity whether the unreserved category will also include physically handicapped ones. Okay, but somewhere around 125 you have for Arunachal Pradesh tribal student. Okay, that is APST, Arunachal Pradesh Scheduled Tribes. So major vacancies you have for Arunachal Pradesh Civil Services, which is Group A services. Then Arunachal Pradesh Police Services, again your Group A services. Then you have CDPU, that is Child Development Officer. Okay, and that is also Group A services. And my favorite is always Assistant Section Officer, because that is a office duty and most probably you will be at the capital dealing with policies over there. And this is Group B services. So for APST, for civil services you have 40 seats. Then for police services you have for 5 seats, and child development officer you have 6 seats, and for ASO you have 37 seats. So let's see what else are important for you. The mains examination will consist of written examination and interview test. This has been written in your notification. But only those who have attained minimum number of marks in their written examination, they will be eligible for interview test. And those who are giving prelims, out of them 12 times the total number of vacancies will be eligible for your mains examination. 12 times the total number of vacancies. Okay, that is your vacancy is 140 into 12. So you will have around 1500 people writing this examination, around 1500. Okay, so you must prepare in such a manner that you are able to write your mains examination. Next, the date of prelims examination as per your notification is 15th December, and there are around 20 centers. You can see the centers. The form fill-up date will start from 15th October. Okay, it will start from 15th October 5 p.m. and it will go up to 5 p.m. 10th November. So keep this is very important. So keep this in your mind. The total numbers of 20 and it has been provided over here. So form fee for Arunachal Pradesh Scheduled Tribe student will be around 150 rupees. And for non-tribal student outside from Arunachal Pradesh, it will be 200 rupees. Okay. So what prelims examination comprises of? It comprises of your GS paper, which is of 200 marks and 2 hours, and your CSAT paper, which is an aptitude test for 2 hours. In CSAT paper, you have to only get 33% of the total score. That is near about 67 marks out of 200. You will have 80 questions. Okay. And in GS, you have 1/3 negative marking. Okay, and the question is of around 200 marks. Total number of questions are 100. Hour is 2 hours. So how to prepare for it? We'll discuss it. But before that, let's see what is the age limit for this examination. The age limit for this examination is not less than 21 years and not more than 35 years. And the date for that 35 years is 10th of November 2024. And relaxation has been given for 5 years for APST people and for defense personnel and for physically handicapped also there are separate age relaxation. Now, how to clear this examination in next 55 days? See, major sections will be polity, history, geography, general science, okay, current affairs, Arunachal Pradesh specific and Northeast specific. So we will discuss with polity. In polity, you have to focus on preamble, wordings of it. It's very small. Fundamental right, DPSP. Don't go into details. You just see those rights, their wordings, and their connotations, what they are attached with. Then you go to Parliament section, read about President, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. Okay. Then you go to Supreme Court and High Court section, see the details. Then go to the state list, concurrent list, and central list. Just go through it roughly. Then go through the constitutional bodies. This is a place from where the maximum number of questions will come from, and they will also pertain to current affairs. For example, who is CAG of India? Okay. Who is Chief Election Commissioner of India? Okay. Then who is chairperson of National Board for Scheduled Tribe, Scheduled Caste, OBC? So these kind of questions will come from that section. Central Vigilance Commission, see the detail of it. Then go through non-constitutional bodies. First cover this section and then see Panchayati Raj institution. Rest you can avoid for the time being. In history section, modern history, 1884 formation of Congress to 1947. Special focus on Gandhian movement and movement associated with India's freedom struggle against Britain in Northeast. Then for ancient history, you have to just focus on three things. Indus Valley civilization, Magadhan Empire, Jainism, which is very small topic, and Buddhism. In the geography section, you just focus on Indian geography, hill ranges, rivers, soils, agriculture, industries, lakes, coastlines, mangroves. General science section, you go through, there's one book, Lucent. You just go through the application part of physics, chemistry, and biology. For current section, go through sports and sports person because this was an Olympic year. Second, you go through all the invention by NASA in this 1 year. ISRO, meteorological issues, and things related to diseases. That's it. First, complete this section. Arunachal Pradesh and Northeast Pacific tribes. Hill range. Rivers, lakes, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, animals, places of tourism. Okay, these section you should complete, and other things related to state flower, state animal, state tree, these kind of stuff. Okay, of entire Northeast. The name of chief ministers and governors. Okay, after this, what you have to do is you have to go for smart preparation. What is smart preparation? Go through your APSC Civil Services previous year papers. Just don't go through the MCQ, but see their detailed explanation. You can Google it. And for all other options, see why these options are also important. Because these options will help you do away with the wrong choices in next MCQs or other examinations which are coming. These are the information which will help you. Solve 50 MCQ daily by seeing the answer, because you can't solve it all of a sudden. You have to see the answer, read the question, understand it, and then attempt for the right answer. You may laugh, but this exercise is internalization of knowledge. You internalize it. Do it for 35 days non-stop. And after that, start taking 50 MCQs in 1 hour for your GS, and then 50 MCQs in 1.2 hours for your CSAT daily. Start doing it. Last, and do this for next 15 days. After 35 days, 15 days, that 50 days is completed. Last 10 days, 100 GS and 80 CSAT daily. Okay, and then revise the answers. With this smart preparation only, you will be able to clear your prelims in a very convincing manner. Follow this process. Trust the process. The result will be there. We will also come up with current affairs and our crash course, and we'll advertise it soon. Our crash course will be under rupees 6,000, and this will help you clear this examination only if you are honest about your hard work. This is a crash course. You can only crash it, make the most of it when you have done certain amount of your own preparedness and you are honest enough to put in next 55 days as we ask and demand it from your end. Stay connected, do subscribe us, like us, and comment so that we come up with more informative videos for you. Thank you. Till then, bye.